Welcome to the module Listing Loader Template. By the end of the module, you will be able to download a listing loader template from Seller Central, create a listing loader template to upload product details on Amazon.in, upload the listing loader template. A listing loader template enables you to create your listings for products that already exist in the Amazon.in catalog using barcodes or ASINs. Please note that Mac does not support such a template. Let's download it first. On Seller Central, hover over Inventory and click on Add Products via Upload. Click on the section Download an Inventory File. Scroll down and click on Listing Loader under File Name. Expand the new window and click on Download Now. Save the file. In case you do not get a message asking you to save it, the file gets automatically downloaded in the navigation bar. Now open the file. Remember to enable macros by clicking on Enable Editing and Enable Content. The instructions sheet is displayed by default when you open the file. This sheet provides guidelines on how to enter product details. The Data Definitions sheet provides information about required, preferred, and optional fields. The Listings Template sheet provides information about mandatory fields such as SKU, price, quantity, product ID type, condition type, and condition note. On this sheet, you could enter the product ID, that is the UPC, EAN, or ASIN. Based on the product ID specified, you need to select the product ID type. Select the option New for condition type of all products. Once details of all the products are entered, click on Credentials under Add-ins. In the pop-up window, enter the Merchant ID, Marketplace ID, AWS Access Key ID, and Secret Key and click on OK. You can extract these values from the www.developer.amazonservices.in website. Here's how. On the Developer Amazon Services homepage, click on Sign Up for MWS. In the Amazon Marketplace Web Service, Amazon MWS section, you need to select the I want to access my Amazon seller account with MWS option. Click on Next. To go through the agreement, click on the Amazon MWS License Agreement link. To confirm your agreement for the terms, select the I have read and accepted the Amazon MWS License Agreement checkbox. Click on Next. The generated Seller ID, Marketplace ID, AWS Access Key ID, and Secret Key for a seller account is displayed on the screen. After the information is updated, click on OK. To secure your credentials on your computer or laptop, you are required to update the security password. Note that this is a one-time activity and is not required every time when you use the listing loader template. Make a note of this password for future use. After entering these details, on the Add-ins menu, click on Bulk Lookup if you want to look up a bulk of products, or click on Turn on Product Lookup if you want to look up items one by one. For either of the options that you choose, enter the security password and click on OK. The listing loader template automatically populates information in other fields. The Products Not Found sheet of the listing loader template displays information related to unmatched products with product IDs. You need to create new listings for the unmatched products using the one-by-one method or the flat file template. Watch our videos titled How to List Products Using the Add a Product feature and Flat File, a beginner's guide to know more. The Product with Multiple Matches sheet displays a list of products that are listed twice in the Listing Loader template sheet. On choosing the right match, the product moves to the main sheet. Before saving the Listing Loader template on the Listing Template sheet, you need to ensure that product titles match with the products provided. After all the details are verified, save the template as a text tab delimited file. You will get a couple of warnings. Click on OK. Now upload the file by clicking on Upload under the Add-ins section and click on OK. Alternatively, you can upload via Seller Central. The navigation path is Inventory, Add Products via Upload page, upload your inventory file. There are 2 steps involved in this. First, upload the file to check for errors. Once this is done and you have made the necessary modifications, upload it. In both cases, you need to enter your email address. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.in.